I mean, when we're talking about injuries from potentially injuries from rounded backs, are we just talking spine, or are we also talking like muscles?
We could talk musculature as well. So there's the idea that being in a rounded back position places more strain on the musculature of the posterior chain, and that's kind of a little bit of a complicated area because, as we were saying just before this, basically, if you're in a rounded back position, you actually shorten your spine, which means that the external load is going to be applied to a shortened lever, which means that actually the overall load being overcome by the muscles of the back is smaller.
Yeah.
But because of the length tension relationship of how muscles contract, by being in that lengthened position, you're actually reducing the number of cross bridges that can be created, which is reducing the overall force that can be created by those muscles.
Yeah.
So the level of strain actually comes down to the ratio between the amount of force that can be created versus the amount of load that you're being exposed to. So if the overall load's being reduced by 20%, but your capacity to produce force from that position is being reduced by 40%, then the overall strain on that muscle is going to be greater.